Hi, welcome to Page Folding Plus. Today I'm going to make decoupage plates, and things I bought were, I got a pack of napkins from the dollar store. I got these, and then I like these, but it doesn't really have Eastery, so I bought these window clings. I'm going to put them on there too. What I also did, these were only $1.25. I have Mod Podge dishwasher safe Mod Podge. So this way, when it cures, it takes about 28 days to cure, but then you can put them in the dishwasher and stuff. So if you haven't Mod Podge before, you want to make sure the surface is clean. You're going to put a light coat over this, and then we're going to pull the napkin apart. Let's see. Sometimes it could be a little bit hard. I don't think these are 3-ply. So if you buy it in other places, they're usually 3-plies. This is only a 2-ply. So we're gonna put this, I don't know, you could use it for something else. It's still a napkin. You don't have to waste it. You could give it to the kids and they can wipe their mouths with it and wipe their hands. And then I'm gonna apply a nice light coat across the whole thing. Just real easy like that. And then you get the Mod Podge, on Amazon, Michael's. It lasts a little bit, it lasts long, so you don't have to buy a huge thing of it. I do like making these holiday plates. You can always find holiday plates, but I can never find Thanksgiving ones that I really like, or Easter ones that get kind of pricey. So it's fun to make them yourself. I mean, for me, I like it. All right, from here, I am going to put the cling on. Just something simple like this. This part is the shinier part, right? This part's flat. So I'm gonna lay this down on the center here. I'm gonna push out all those air bubbles. You can try and make sure you push all those air bubbles out. Like that. Best you can. Now it's down pretty good. I'm just gonna put another light coat of the dishwasher safe Mod Podge across it, because then I'm gonna lay the napkin across. There's a couple of ways to lay the napkin. You could tear it and put it down. I'm gonna put it across, and then I'm just gonna kind of work it best I can. You can get a sandwich bag and do it that way. You take a napkin and kind of just try to wrinkle out the, push out the wrinkles and the air bubbles on this as best you can. Like that. And I'm gonna go around the plate. And then we're gonna go over this with another light coat of Mod Podge. So right, so you go ahead and put another coat on. And then we're gonna do it again. We're gonna try to get the wrinkles out. I'm not too particular about the wrinkles. I know a lot of people really work at keeping all the wrinkles out. It doesn't really bother me, so I'm not too particular when I do my own Mod Podge. I put it around the corners too, because I'm going to tear this paper off. I know you probably have seen it where people put it on fire. I don't particularly like to do that. It peels off easy enough. And then if I have to use a nail file to sand down, I will. I'm going to put a couple of coats on too. And do this one coat. I'm going to wait about 20 minutes or so. And then I'm going to come back and put another coat on. I'm probably going to put 3 or 4 coats on this because I'm going to use it every year, and I'm gonna put it in the dishwasher for sure, because I don't want to wash anything by hand. And then I want to make sure that it has a good coat of dishwasher safe Mod Podge on it. You could also use a bristle brush. You don't have to use the foam brushes. I like the foam brushes because they're inexpensive. Okay. So I'm just gonna try to work out some of those wrinkles, right? Just make sure no air bubbles. Now, if you took your time, you probably could do it much better than this. Get all those wrinkles out. I'm just going to go ahead and start gently peeling this off. Okay, so I have a bunch of coats on this. It's still not dry yet. It's a little tacky on the back, and I'm gonna do a couple more coats, but that's pretty much what it looks like. And again, you could use any kind of napkin. And these napkins, you know, the dollar store napkins are definitely kind of cheap, but if you use a better quality napkin, it might come out a little better. But I'm pleased with this. Yeah, this will be cute. You know, put some snacks on it, put it out and stuff like that. That's one. This is the other one. This one's not dry at all. This one needs a couple more coats on it too. But you can use those decals, right? Those decals, they look cute. It's better than just the napkin, and you can put them wherever you want and just coat it and stuff like that. I also have a silver trim on the other one, but I left this one plain, and I think that it's really cute. And again, the back, it's a little sticky. I'll put a couple more coats on it, and then I'll clean up the edges too. But it's an inexpensive craft to do. These are fun to do with your kids. You have your girlfriends come over on the weekend or something, have them do it with you. You know, their plates are only like $1.25. You get a whole pack of napkins. The decals, I think, you know, the window cleaners were only like $1. So you can get a lot of stuff for a few bucks and have a night of crafting with your friends or, you know, the kids and stuff like that. All right, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And let me know if you've made these before, and if you have any recommendations of what you do to make it look a little bit nicer and stuff like that. All right, have fun crafting. Bye.